Cooper here, how you doing? And welcome to Santa's Secret System. Yes, I know you're saying, what? It's only May and you're doing a Christmas product? Yes, but that's how us smart marketers work. We work way ahead of the pack, so we don't have to work hard, we work smart. Yeah, and what I've done right here, guys, I'm going to blow you away. I'm going to show you just how easy it is when you think ahead of the pack and get your work done before they even know what's going on. I actually ranked below here 4 products. Yeah, I was only going to do 2, then I thought, screw it, I'll do 4. 4 products to number 1, Google, position 1 in less than 10 minutes. 4 products in less than 10 minutes to number 1 of Google. This is an absolute crazy product, guys. I do it once a year. Everyone absolutely kills it by being the early bird and ahead of the pack. I don't have to say anything. The proof is in the pudding below here, guys. Anyone could do this. If you've picked up our product over the last 4 years, yeah, just add this to your site. If you don't have a site already, I'm providing one absolutely free of charge. Check it out, guys. The proof is in the pudding, and it's right below here. I'll see you on the inside. Gaz Cooper out.